Ever wondered how to optimally write local SEO content? It's all about tailoring your digital content to attract and engage local customers. It's a crucial strategy for digital marketers aiming to boost visibility in specific geographic areas. Well, you've come to the right place to find the answers. Creating local SEO content is not as complex as it seems. Start by focusing on local keywords, ones that your local audience is using. Next, craft content that resonates with this audience, addressing their unique needs and interests. Don't forget to optimize your meta tags for local search terms and updated Google My Business profile and a steady stream of positive reviews can also boost your local SEO. Remember, consistency is key in local SEO. But why struggle alone when you can have experts by your side? Enter Authority Solutions, a powerhouse in local SEO content creation. Their expertise can elevate your visibility, drive traffic, and boost conversions. Boost your local SEO content with Authority Solutions. Your success is our priority. Ready to take your local SEO content to the next level? Don't miss out on more useful tips and strategies. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to check out Authority Solutions for all your local SEO content needs. Until next time, stay savvy, marketers.